Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Do you want to make anyone fall in love? The Quranic Dua to make someone fall in love with you is an Islamic method to make someone feel your love. In this video, we will give you some powerful Islamic Dua to make someone fall in love with you that will help you make someone love you. What's the Dua for love that you should recite? What's the step to perform Dua to make someone love you? How can do this? What I recommend it to you? I will discuss these all questions. Now let's get started. The following steps to perform Dua to make someone love you can help you make anyone fall in love with you. First of all, perform wuzu. It's important to make a fresh ablution and wear new or washed clothes. Second, recite Durood Sharif. Start the Dua by reading any Durood Sharif 11 times. Third, read the following verses from the Quranic Dua. Subhanaka la ilaha illa anta ya Rabba kulla shay'in wa warisahu wa raziquhu. 15 times with Surah Fatiha. Or again recite Durood Sharif. Then you have to again recite the same Durood Sharif 11 times and blow any sweet and give it to that person you want to fall in love with. 5. Pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And the end, raise your hands and ask Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to accept your wish. Inshallah, soon they will start loving you. You can also repeat the dua to make someone love you if the results are slow. This dua is essential only for Muslims. We recommended you follow all the instructions carefully. After performing the dua for love, that person will fall in love and he will start missing you and he will try to make contact with you.